Hi, I'm Tia Capers, and welcome. You are tuned into my simplistic ABCs home decor and more lifestyle, showcasing a mixture of Afro Boho Coastal decor with an eclectic flair. So enjoy and be inspired.
Hi family, welcome back. I am coming to you today again. Earlier I had shared a soup recipe, and now I'm sharing a small haul that I have done over the last couple of days. So I will get right into it. It's from several stores. I'll start with IKEA. So I went to IKEA and I bought these two little purple bowls. And I think they were like $1.90 maybe, something like that. But I thought they were really cute, so I got two of those. Actually, that was the last two that they had. And I also bought this. Now, I didn't buy it from IKEA, but it comes from IKEA. I actually got it from the Goodwill for like $2.99. Yes, $2.99. So not exactly sure what I'm going to do with it just yet, but I like changing out my home decor, so I'll find something to do with it. It looks like it's bamboo or something. Also from IKEA, I bought some of these jars because I'm changing out my pantry from the plastics to jars, glass jars. So I bought, I think, two of these. Not sure what I'm going to put in that yet, but I bought like, I think 9 or 10 of these. These are glass jars as well with bamboo lids, and I think the lids were maybe $3 and the jar was like $2 and some change. I can't quite remember, but something like that. So I bought 9 or 10 of these, and I bought two. I know I bought two of these. This is like a square rectangle type shape. I also bought this bowl from IKEA. So I've already broken it in. I've had soup in it, I've had salad in it, and it's perfect. It's like, it's big, but it's not too big, and it's not too small, okay? And I got this from the Goodwill as well for $2.99. Not exactly sure where it originated from. So moving right along, I went to Target the other day and I got this pillow for $12. So I bought two of them. I think I only need one, but I got two because you just never know. It's so soft. Never know when you might want that second one, and then you're mad because you didn't buy it when it was on clearance. And then tonight I went over to Home Goods and I got these green mats on clearance, and I'm going to change out my dining room decor soon. These are holiday mats, but this is the perfect green that I need for what I'm changing out to. So I'm going to work those in the decor on the table some type of way. And it was a 2-pack, and they were $4 on clearance. Regular price were like $6. And also, while over there, I love shopping in their tea section and their dry goods and stuff like that, because you can find really good deals on some healthy options. So my favorite tea today, and I have my glasses so I can tell you what's in it. This is from the Mate Factor Immune Support. And in this tea, it has ashwagandha, peppermint, tulsi or holy basil, rooibos, fennel, lemongrass, rosehip, licorice, and honey. So I can't wait to try that one. And this is another one that I did not already have. It's called Stress SOS with marshmallow and ashwagandha in it. And it has ashwagandha root, chamomile, rooibos, fennel, ginger, marshmallow, licorice, tulsi, cardamom, and black pepper. And these were $3.99 each, and again, they're organic, and I think there's 20 tea bags in here, and they're fairly large tea bags, so you'll get a nice good cup of tea with those. And this one I don't have as well. It's called Sleep Ease, and in this it has ashwagandha root, tulsi leaf, peppermint leaf, chamomile, lemon, rooibos, licorice, lavender, and passion flower. That's interesting. So, and actually I'm reading here, this is out of Asheville, North Carolina. I didn't realize that this was kind of almost local to my area. I'm on the outskirts of Charlotte, North Carolina. So, and again, they were $3.99 each. So, ooh, and I found some date syrup. The one ingredient is just dates, right? This was $3, so they only had two. I bought both of them. I'm gonna try that out. I don't think I've tried date syrup already made. I may have made some with dates. Another tea I bought was Throat Wellness, and this one has, oh, that's real tiny. It has cinnamon, licorice, marshmallow, holy basil, fennel, ginger, and turmeric. So I bought this for the honey because he's having some coughing issues, something with his throat. So saw that, throat wellness, picked that up for him. And I love putting the coconut flakes in my spelt flakes. These are organic, unsweetened, and these were on clearance for $2. So I love these. And I bought 2 bags so that I wouldn't run out because I eat them most mornings. And the last thing I bought was some pitted dates. So gluten-free, non-GMO, vegan. They were $4.99. So I only got one because I already have some dates, but anytime I see them, I just pick them up here and there because it's like when you run out and you're looking for this kind of stuff, sometimes you don't find it. So it's like when you find it, hey, just pick it up. And this is a product of Algeria. Interesting. So, well, that's all I have for my little haul. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. And don't forget to look around some of these home good places, Burlington Coat Factory, Ross, TJ Maxx. Sometimes they have really, really good teas. So, and if you see them, you like them, buy them, stock up, because sometimes these things are seasonal and you never know if they will run out, restock, or anything like that. So at least you'll be covered for a while. Okay, so that's all I have, family. I'll see you in the next video. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I will see you later. Good night. Bye.